Hey guys, started this new group for our Sunday school class, and there's two things that I want you to know coming up this Sunday. First, we're starting a new study. It's called The Secret to the Marriage That You Want. And we're just going to be looking at marriage and one of the things that you can do to improve it. And one of the questions that they're going to ask this week is, if you could do one thing starting today to improve your marriage, what would that be? Now they're gonna give you an answer this Sunday, but that's a great question to be thinking about and to be talking with your spouse about. If you could do one thing to improve your marriage starting today, what would that be? And so I want you to come Sunday and be ready to hear the answer that we're going to be discussing and studying Scripture about. Okay, so here's the second thing. If you look at all the people that are in this group that I've just thought of off the top of my head and added you to this group, there's quite a few. And I get excited whenever I start thinking about that because I know that the age demographic is huge in our church, but we don't really see that in Sunday school a lot of times. And so I want to challenge you guys to make it a point to be at Sunday school this Sunday. It could be so much fun. It could be so much benefit to you to have all of us there together. There's just a lot of us that are in the same season of life, starting out in marriage, or maybe 7 to 12 years into our marriage, and we could just really learn a lot from each other, and we can learn a lot together as we just progress and move along. Listen, I know it's deer hunting season. I know that there's a lot of things going on and all that stuff, but there's not anything more important than your walk with Christ or your marriage, and this study is going to help both of those things. And so here's I'm going to make this challenge to myself. I'm going to make it to you. I'm going to set out 25 chairs for Sunday school, and I would love to see all of those chairs filled up. So just make it a priority in your mind. Resolve now that you're going to be there for Sunday school this Sunday. Give it a try. Give it one Sunday. See what you think. See if it doesn't help your marriage. See if it doesn't help your understanding of your walk with Christ. See if you just don't have fun being with so many other young couples. Make it a point to be there this Sunday. 10 o'clock, you come in the building, you go down the hall. It is the third door on the left. Grab you a cup of coffee on your way, a donut or whatever it may be. But be sure to be here this Sunday, and let's just have a great time together. All right? We'll see you Sunday, guys.